Creating a website does not have to be a time-consuming and tedious task. With the help of AI, you can create a website within a few seconds. As in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use one of the best AI website builders, as I'll be showing you step by step how to create a blog using Readdy AI. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to get started for completely free, and it will help to support the channel. All you need to do is tap on that link, then you'll be redirected to a page just like this, and you're going to tap on try for free and you'll enter in your email address. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page and you can type in a prompt of the type of blog that you like to create, or you can scroll down and from here you could create a website by simply tapping here for create from website link, and you could put in a website link, or you can scroll down and you can choose from one of the numerous templates that they have. For this example, we're going to be typing in a prompt. So I want to create a food blog, as you can see right here. So all I need to do is type in the information, then I'm just going to tap on enter. After you have done that, you can choose the structure. So we want to include the home page. You can see the different sections, and I could tap on add section if I would like to add more. I can add up to 10 sections. Then you can use their AI to generate a logo, or you could upload a logo. Then tap on. After you have tapped on next, you're going to give it a few seconds while it is being generated. Once it is loaded up, you can see how it looks right here, and it is actually quite straightforward and easy to customize. For example, let's say I would like to change the image that is right here. All I would need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner. I could tap on selector. Then from there, I could select the image by simply hovering over the image that I want to change. Selecting it, then we could tap on image. After you have tapped on image, you could upload an image, or you can tap on remove BG. You can remove the background. You can choose to generate an image using AI. So I could tap right here and I could generate an image, or I could upload a video, or I could choose for the AI to generate a video by simply tapping on generate video. Then from there, I could use that. So there are quite a few options that you're given. By scrolling down, you can also explore different options. And if it is a case that you don't want to use this option and manually change it, all you need to do is tap in the section right here in the bottom right hand corner once more. And from there, you can tell it what you would like to change. So you can type it in and the AI will quickly change it. If it is a case that you would like to upload a particular image or link that you want to get added, you can tap on embed code and you could paste in the embed code and you can choose where you would like to embed it. You can also tap on image and you could upload an image and tell the AI where you would like it to be uploaded. So that's how you'll be able to customize the website. If it is a case that you would like to add products, or let's say for example you would like to do email marketing also, when it comes down to Readdy AI, they offer those options. All you'll need to do is go to the top navigation bar, select integrations. After selecting integrations, if you would like to integrate any one of these options, integrate the Readdy agent. So if you like to offer AI chat or so on, if you were creating a business website, you can do that. If it is a case that you like to collect payment, or you like to add in your Shopify products, or if you like to, for example, do email marketing, you can also do that by selecting MailChimp. The first thing you'll need to do is select Supabase, and you're going to be creating an account. So you can tap on connect Supabase account. After you have done that, you can quickly create your account. Once you have created your account, let's say for example, you'd like to add your MailChimp pop-up. After doing that, all you need to do is create a MailChimp account if you don't have one as yet. Once you have created your MailChimp account, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, select forms, then you'll select other forms, and you can tap on create new form in the top right hand corner. After you have selected create new form, you'll simply tap on embed form. You can give the form a name. So let's say I were to call it test form. Then I'll tap on continue to builder. After you have selected continue to builder, from the left hand menu option, you can add the different form fields. Then you'll tap on continue and you'll simply copy this code, go back into Readdy AI. Then you're just going to select integrations, select MailChimp, and you would paste in the code right there and the pop-up will appear. So that's how you'll be able to add it. I'm going to also do another tutorial walking you through how to do that, and I'll do a tutorial showing how to add Shopify products and so on. And that's basically it when it comes on to creating your blog Once you're finished creating your blog, you're just going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and you'll be provided with a free domain name. And if it is a case that you like to add a custom domain name, you can also do that, but you'll need to go onto their paid plan. And their paid plan is actually quite affordable, as it starts off with the monthly option for $25, and it can go up to $40, as you can see right here, depending on the amount of features that you want. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.